low key.
To begin this hairstyle, I'm gonna start off with freshly washed hair. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use to keep my hair protected when I'm using heat, because I plan on blow drying my hair. I usually like to let my hair just stretch overnight, but I really wanted to complete this hairstyle today, so I decided to opt in blow drying it. And I'm just gonna blow dry my hair just till it gets a little stretched, and then I'm gonna twist it away once I'm done with each section. Now in the beginning, you did see I had a bob look and my hair is clearly bra strap length, so I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve that look when your hair is long. But let's just jump into moisturizing. I'm gonna use some Haitian castor oil that I sell on my website, and I'm gonna apply that just to the broken ends of my hair. For my scalp, I'm gonna apply Sulfur 8, and then as my moisturizer, I'm gonna be using my Shebe hair butter, which is lemongrass infused, and I'm gonna apply that to my hair. If you guys want to see how I created this hair butter, I do have a tutorial on my website, and I'll link it above with the card so you guys can check it out. And after moisturizing my entire hair, it's time to part. So my staple when it comes to parting my hair is definitely the Shine & Jam for braiders. Like, I love this so much. Basically what I do is apply it to my scalp, I chase it with the comb, and you get the cleanest parts. So right here, I'm gonna show you guys in this section how I'm parting my hair, but not really fully showing you how I part my hair because it's just gonna take forever. But I'm actually using the rubber band method for this look. So after making my clean part and applying the Shine & Jam to the roots of my hair, I'm gonna add the rubber band, and then after adding the rubber band, I'm gonna twist my hair down. I'm gonna repeat those steps throughout my entire head until everything is rubber band and twisted up. As I was shopping at my local beauty supply store, I came across this hair from Outre. It's new to me. It says it's good for butterfly locks and distress locks. It may not be new to you guys, but I decided to pick up 3 packs. They were $7.99 each, and I only used 1 pack to create this look. But tell me if you guys have seen this before in your beauty supply store. But anyway, I'm gonna remix this look with some passion twist hair that I purchased off of AliExpress. Everything will be linked below for everything that I'm using in this video. And basically what I did was I took one of those, the Outre hair, I mixed it with 1 piece of passion twist hair, and then I'm just gonna crochet that into my hair. I'm also going to show you guys how you're able to achieve the bob look if your hair is longer than a bob. So first things first is I'm going to pull the hair through the rubber band area or that little box braid. I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to put it in my mouth so I'm able to pull the hair through and it's not like snagging. And I'm going to make sure that my hair is nice and even, or the hair is nice and even. And then once it's nice and even, then I'm going to take my natural hair and I'm going to twist it, or I'm going to wrap it around the base of the hair. And I'm gonna wrap it enough so that my hair does not get in the way when I cut the hair to make it into the bob look. So I'm just gonna wrap it around twice. If your hair is longer, you can wrap it around longer. Basically like you're starting a lock, but you're not really starting a lock. And then after you're done wrapping as much hair as you want, you can go ahead and begin twisting your hair. So to achieve the butterfly passion twist look, you're basically gonna do the same steps that you do for butterfly locks or passion braids. Is you're just gonna find that spring twist here and you're gonna pull it out. So what I'm doing is I'm actually actively doing it like you would do for butterfly locks, where every time I make a twist, I'm gonna find the spring twist here or the passion twist here, and I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna twist down, I'm gonna pull out, twist down, pull out. So I'm gonna continue to do that method. I have another way of doing it that I'm gonna show you guys later on in this video, but this clip right here, I'm just showing you guys the twist, pull method. So like I stated to you before, you're gonna continue to twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull. But when it comes to finding the length of your hair, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. So once I got towards the end of my hair, I'm gonna use my collarbone as a reference, and I'm gonna add a rubber band to that area, and then I'm gonna snip the ends. You can use anything on your body as a reference on how short or how long you want it, but I'm using my collarbone because I think that's the easiest. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the same steps, but I'm gonna do it the back. Again, you're just looking at your hair. As you can see here, my hair is just about the size of the bob, but I didn't want to take that chance again. Not again, but I didn't want to take that chance. So I'm still gonna wrap my hair around, but once I get more towards the top, my hair gets a little bit shorter, so I don't have to worry about doing the wraparound method. So that's actually pretty good because you don't have to worry about seeing that wrap towards the top of your hair. But anyway, I'm doing the same find the twist, pull it out, find the twist, pull it out method. And I'm just gonna continue to do that until I show you guys the front of my head. And here's a close-up shot on what my twist looked like. Sort of looks like twist, but anyway, this is what it looks like. And I actually like the way it looks. It looks pretty to me. And this is what I am working with so far. So of course, I'm gonna do a close-up and show you guys again how we're doing this method, finding the hair. So this one, I'm doing it a little bit different. I'm doing a little pinch. So you take the hair, you pinch it. So you twist it, you take the hair, you pinch it, and then you hold it, and then you twist again. So you can do the pinch method where you're grabbing the hair, you're pinching it, and then you're twisting it underneath. Or you can do the pull-out method. I have one more method that I'm gonna show you guys, but here's another one. So if you can't do the first one, you can just literally find the spring twist here and you make a fold. So you see me make a fold, and then I'm gonna pinch it with my finger, and then I'm gonna twist it. That one's a little bit difficult, but again, I'm showing you 3 different ways you can try to get that spring twist to pop out to give that butterfly lock look or that passion braid look. So this is the method of pinching, and I'm gonna show you guys a loop method after this. Now, the last method of trying to get your spring twist or your passion twist to poke out to give that butterfly lock effect is wrapping the hair around your finger. So as you can see, I took that spring twist hair and I wrapped it around my finger. I'm gonna twist below it, and then I'm gonna pull my finger out. I'm gonna show you guys again. You find that spring twist or passion twist here. You wrap it around your finger, and then you twist below it. See, I'm twisting below it, and then you're gonna pull your finger out. So I pull out hair probably every 2 twists. So I'll twist 2 times down. I'll find the passion twist or spring twist here, wrap it around my finger. I know it looks a little jumbly. I'm gonna get it, Wrap it around my finger, boom. Twist below it, pull my finger out. So I'm gonna continue to do this method to this braid and then the last 2 braids that I have remaining. So I just showed you guys 3 methods. One is to literally twist the hair and then pull out the spring twist. Another one is to pinch the hair. And then the last one is to wrap it around your finger. It doesn't matter which one you do. I find this is easier so I don't have to search for the passion twist here when I'm doing this method. But you just want to achieve that look of butterfly locks or passion braids, but doing it with twist hair. I'm not sure if this look is on YouTube. If it is, please let me know who originated it or who created the look. I cannot speak. Please let me know who created the look and reference it below. But this was something that just popped into my head that I wanted to give a shot. So that's basically what I'm doing here, is showing you guys the look. Again, I prefer the put your finger in the hole method. I feel like that's just the fastest way if you're a beginner. And then you twist it all the way to the bottom. And then once you're done twisting it to the bottom, you're gonna go ahead and secure it with the rubber band and cut the ends. And here's the final look. I love the way it turned out. I'm gonna give you guys some specs because I know you guys are gonna ask, and I'm also gonna list it below in the description area. So the parting part took me 1.5 hours to do. The twisting part took me 3 hours to do. So that's a total of 4.5 hours to complete. I have 18 braids or 18 twists in the front, and I have 16 twists in the back. Also use 1 pack of the Outre here and 1 pack of spring twist hair that I purchased from AliExpress. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I love this look so much. I've said this before, but I'm really in love with this look. Again, if you have any questions, you can leave them below. Make sure to check out my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.